Hello guys, good evening. This is Jaru. I welcome you all to Crypto Updates. I'm here for the daily cipher of the Hamster Kombat project. So this one is for 13th June. 13th June daily cipher. The word is Satoshi. So let's dive in for the Morse code. So if you tap once, it's a dot. And then if you tap and hold for a while, it's a dash. So we will be mixing the dots and the dash to get our letters. The S is dot dot dot, and then the E is dot and dash, and then the T is dash, and then the O is 3 dashes, dash dash dash, and then another S, 3 dots, and then the H is 4 dots, and then the I is 2 dots. We've been able to crack our code, so don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel for more of the daily cipher codes and then the daily combo cards. So you can come here every 7 to 8 p.m. for your daily cipher, and then 12 to 1 p.m. for your daily combo cards. Thank you very much.